If your idea of moving day is chaos, confusion, and cardboard boxes everywhere, you're not alone. Moving can feel overwhelming, but 2 Men and a Truck Miami is here to make the entire process easier, smoother, and less stressful from start to finish. Whether you're moving into a new home, changing apartments, helping a family member relocate, or moving your business across town, their professional team is ready to help every step of the way. Serving Miami-Dade County from Doral to the Florida Keys, they understand the unique challenges of moving in South Florida, including high-rise buildings, elevators, busy streets, tight schedules, limited loading areas, and building requirements. Need help packing, loading, unloading, or storing your belongings? They can handle that too. Their friendly, professionally trained, and background check movers treat your furniture, boxes, equipment, and personal belongings with care, while helping keep your move organized, efficient, and on schedule. That means less heavy lifting, fewer last-minute problems, and more time for you to focus on settling into your new home or getting your business back up and running. Why spend your moving day worrying about complicated logistics and stressful details? Let 2 Men and a Truck Miami do the hard work for you. Call 305-845-9442 or visit 2menandatruck.com/movers/FL/Miami to request your free moving quote today. 2 Men and a Truck, the movers who care.